Hey guys, Quickhub is not done. It's not a replacement for the notch yet, and we know it. But last week, your Discord feedback turned directly into shipping. And again, let me show you. When Quickhub launched, the Discord lit up. Ace asked for automatic context loading. Another users listed everything the notch could do that the Quickhub couldn't. Robert spotted the first line of chat getting clipped. Renshu flagged drag delay and full screen issues. Um, Alia coughed the window resetting after every single prompt, which was very annoying. A great thing you guys requested was context loading. Now, the moment you snap QuickHub to a window, Alter automatically loads what's on your screen, which means screenshot plus accessibility data. You open QuickHub and attach it to a browser tab, for example, and it already knows what you're looking at. No setup, and then just ask. On top of that, the title bar clipping, Robert flagged, fixed. The typing lag, gone. The drag delay, Renshu course, fixed as well. The streaming issue between the hub and the quick hub fixed as well. The full screen behavior fixed. The add to alter service in the Finder fixed. All of that in a week of work. There's two things we haven't cracked yet, multiple floating windows and triggering the quick hub by mouse over. We're still experimenting with both. This touch something deeper about how the quick hub should behave, and we want to get it right before we ship anything. So, guys, keep the feedback coming. Look what happened in a week. That's crazy. The Discord, as you see, is part of the roadmap. So come in and join the fun. See you guys.